welcome back to my channel, Face and Fashions. On my channel, I do unboxings of all sorts, so if you like unboxing videos, definitely hit on that subscribe button down below. I would love to have you join me. And to my returning subscribers, as always, thank you and welcome back. Now for today's video, I have my special Ipsy Valentine's Day edition goodie bag to open and share with you guys. But before I do, I've told you guys that just for fun, I want to incorporate some kind of trivia into each of my videos. So I found a really good trivia question for today since it is Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day to all of you out there. And for the trivia question for today, the question is, what insanely popular website debuted on Valentine's Day in 2005? To find out the answer, stay tuned to the end of the video and I'll let you guys know. Okay, so I've already opened this and checked it all out, and I'm going to share with you guys what I received. Now this is the second time that I've opened it. I've already swatched it. I messed up on my recording of it, and so now I'm just going to reshoot it over. I had the lighting all wrong. So now take two, even though you guys don't know that, but it is take two. Okay, so we're gonna start. First I want to show you this cute little bag, and that is perfect for Valentine's. It's very washable. It's like a vinyl black little pouch, and I think my phone will fit in here. I think this would be really good. Like I could throw my phone and my credit card and just run to the store real quick, maybe in the summertime. So I really hope. I'm recording on my phone, so I can't find out for sure, but it looks like I'm holding it up and I think my phone will fit. But so appropriate for Valentine's Day. But before I open it and show you what's in it, let me show you what's on the outside, and that is this, and this is a face mask, and this is from Pacifica, and this is for After Sun. And what this is for, it says, bring back your skin's natural healthy glow. This natural fiber After Sun cooling sheet mask is specially formulated for those days when you are in the sun and your skin needs a little bit love. So I'm going to keep this for in the summertime, so when I'm out at the flea market and getting a little bit too much sun, maybe this will calm my skin down. And then also we got this, which is Firma, and it's a number 103, and it's a nice soft little brush. I could see me putting my bronzer or some blush on my face with that one. So that's a very nice product. Now, the one that I'm the most excited about, because I've already looked at it and I already knew because I watched a couple other people unbox this one too. But this is from It Cosmetics, and this is the Superhero Mascara. And I have never tried this, and I am super, super excited to try this. My very favorite mascara is Thrive Mascara. That's like a tubing mascara, and it really makes my eyelashes look really long. So I can't wait to try this. Here is what the tube or the wand looks like. So I'm very, very, very excited. And I know their It Cosmetics makeup is really good. The foundation, the CC cream, that's really, really good. So I have a lot of hopes for that. And then the next item out is this, and this is a Nude Lip Gloss. And I'm gonna go ahead and show this. This is from Beauty for Real. And that looks like a nice nude lip gloss. And that's exactly what it is. You can't even see it on my hand. So definitely will be nice. I will throw that in my car. So when I just want a little bit, even though nobody sees our lips anymore, do they? No. Well, hopefully one day this will all be over, right? Okay, and here's the last item out, and this was the black eyeliner from Jonte Blue. And as you can see, I've already swatched it, and that's the way it looks, which that is one of my favorite tips for applying eyeliner, and I was needing one. I have a pencil, and I don't like it because it gives me too fat of a line, and that's why I really like these, because it can give me a thin line, and then I can flare it out a little bit when I get out, like I want a little bit more like a cat eye or a lifted eye look. So I truly appreciate that. Okay, so this was everything in my bag. You got a cute little Valentine's bag, It Cosmetics mascara. I can't wait to try that. An eyeliner, so I'm gonna have some rockin' eyes, a nice blush, lip gloss, and if I get a little bit too much sun, this is gonna be my rescue mask. So, to answer the trivia question, what insanely popular website debuted on Valentine's Day in 2005? You guessed it, YouTube. I thought that was such an appropriate question for Valentine's Day, and since we're on YouTube. Well, I hope everyone's having a great Valentine's Day. I hope you guys stay safe out there, and I will see you on my next video. Bye-bye.